Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and enjoying my YouTube beauty videos. If you are new to my channel, I am Vaishali. My goal is to share DIY beauty secrets with you all so that you can get benefited and save your hard earned money. If you are interested to watch more beauty videos, then please go to my channel playlist and watch other videos. Also, don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, share with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. Eyebrows are important part of our face beauty. Normally, most of you go to parlor for eyebrow. So I thought let's make a video on how to do eyebrow at home. I always do my eyebrow at home and never went to a parlor. So you can count on my experience. Please follow direction I will provide in this video. After practicing 2-3 times, you will become an expert to do eyebrow on your own. So without talking too much, let's get started. To do eyebrow, we need a mirror, we need a eyebrow brush, we need a scissor, we need a face cream, talcum powder and thread and eyebrow pencil. So first step, using this eyebrow brush, set your eyebrow or comb your eyebrow like this. Now you will able to see this longer hair. Using a scissor, trim those hair. Now you can see those hair I trimmed. Now apply a face cream. Face cream make your hair soften and you will have a less pain. But the problem with the face cream, you will feel your skin little bit oiliness. So apply a talcum powder. If you are a beginner, using this eyebrow pencil, you can draw a line. So that you can know that which hair you have to remove and which hair you have to leave. And now we will take a thread. We have to take around 1 feet and cut that thread. And tie those both sides. Like this. And now using your 2 finger, hold with one hand and second you can twist 8 or 10 times like this. And you have to hold like this and place that thread where you want to take out the hair. So always start with the front side and start removing hair and keep removing the hair which is under the line. Like this. And keep removing the place. Keep removing those hair, and then you can see the down part is done. And now the upper side, wherever you see the extra hair, you have to remove that. Keep removing the extra hair, and once you done, you can remove around this area. Whatever you have a hair, you can remove that, and you can clean those area like this. You can see one side is done. So you can see I did the other side as well, same like this one. So I'm done with my eyebrow. And you can try this at your home and share your result in the comment section below. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. Comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.